Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ginger beef. First, let's prepare the star of our dish, the beef. Take 1 pound of flank steak and slice it thinly against the grain. This ensures tenderness. Then marinate these strips with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. This step is crucial for flavor and texture. Next, let's create that irresistible ginger beef sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Finally, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water and stir it into the sauce mixture. This will give us a perfect consistency. Now for the exciting part, frying the beef to crispy perfection. Heat about 2 cups of vegetable oil in a wok or deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry the marinated beef in small batches. This prevents overcrowding and ensures each piece gets beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Once fried, remove the beef and let it drain on a wire rack to shed any extra oil. Finally, let's bring it all together. In a clean pan, quickly saute 1/2 cup of julienne ginger and 1/4 cup of sliced green onions for about 1 minute. Pour in your prepared sauce and let it simmer gently until it thickens slightly. Then, add the crispy fried beef to the pan. Toss everything together to ensure every piece is coated in that delicious, glossy sauce. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.